Hello little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. In this video, we will visualize and understand the area of 2D shapes by performing the Intelli activity. That is to calculate the area of 2D shapes and derive the formulae of area for a rectangle and a square. From the Intelli Smart Box, take out the mensuration grid sheet and the pipes and connectors kit. We are going to find the area of a rectangle. Let's recall what an area is. Area is the measure of the space occupied by a 2D shape. We have built this rectangular shape in the same manner as we have done earlier, using two pipes of category A whose length is 3 units and using two pipes of category B whose length is 4 units. We have connected these pipes using 4 4-arm connectors. Make sure that you connect the pipes of equal length parallel to each other and connect those arms of connectors which are aligned at 90 degrees. Now lay out the mensuration grid sheet on a flat surface or a table. Observe that it is filled by equal square-shaped cells. Here, the side of each square cell is 1 unit and the area of each square cell is 1 square unit. Place the rectangular shape on the mensuration grid sheet and align the pipes of the rectangular shape along the straight lines of the mensuration grid sheet. We will calculate the area of this rectangular shape by counting the number of square cells inside this rectangular shape. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12. There are a total of 12 complete square cells inside the rectangular shape. Area of each square cell is 1 square unit. Therefore, the area of this rectangular shape will be 12 square units. Observe that we have calculated the area of this rectangular shape without using the formula. Now let's understand it again that what we have done. Count the number of square cells along the length of this rectangular shape. They are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have a total of 4 squares along the length of this rectangular shape. As we already know that the side of each square is 1 unit. Therefore, the length of this rectangular shape becomes 4 units. Now count the number of square cells along the breadth of this rectangular shape. That is 1, 2, 3. Here we have a total of 3 squares along the breadth of this rectangular shape. Therefore, the breadth of this rectangular shape becomes 3 units. Now multiply length with breadth. That is 4 multiplied by 3, which gives 12 square units. Therefore, the formula for calculating the area of a rectangle will be length multiplied by breadth. Observe that the area obtained is same as we have obtained without using the formula. Now you can try finding the area and derive the formula for this square shape using the same steps. We will build this square shape using 4 pipes of equal length. Because all the sides of a square are equal, and for connecting these pipes we need 4 4-arm connectors whose arms are aligned at 90 degrees. Let's calculate the area of this square shape. Lay out the mensuration grid sheet on a table or a flat surface. Place the square shape on the mensuration grid sheet and align the pipes along the straight lines of the mensuration grid sheet. The number of square cells inside this square shape are 1, 2, 3, 4, 15, 16. There are a total of 16 complete square cells. Therefore, the area of this square shape will be 16 square units. Here, the number of square cells along each side is 4. Therefore, the length of the side of the square shape is 4 units. Now multiply side with side. As we know that all the sides of a square are equal, in this case it is 4 units. That is 4 multiplied by 4, which gives 16 square units. Therefore, the formula for calculating the area of a square is side multiplied by side. Observe here that the area obtained is same as we have obtained without using the formula. Now you can try building rectangles and squares of different measurements and find their areas. After doing this activity, you will have gained the expertise in the following concepts: visualizing the area of 2D shapes, calculating the area of a rectangle and a square without using the formula, deriving the formulae of an area for a rectangle and a square. Visualize maths with Alan IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.